If you're searching for a compact PC case that doesn't sacrifice performance, the A4-H2O deserves your attention. This 11-liter small form factor case supports Founders Edition 30 series graphics cards and a 240mm all-in-one liquid cooler, making it ideal for powerful yet space-saving builds. Created in partnership with DAN cases, the A4-H2O builds on the minimalist design of the DAN A4-SFX. It keeps that sleek, compact look you want while boosting hardware compatibility and making installation easier, especially for integrating AIO water cooling solutions. One of the A4-H2O's standout features is the front panel GPU installation. This design lets you mount your graphics card without struggling inside a tight space. Plus, the removable bottom cover supports SSD mounting and helps keep cables organized for a cleaner, more polished build. Installing your cooling system is just as simple. The removable fan bracket allows you to fit your AIO radiator and fans quickly, so you can focus on maximizing performance without frustration. This thoughtful layout also improves airflow, helping your system stay cooler under load. Users in the U.S. praise the A4-H2O for its high-quality materials and elegant metal frame. While building in such a small case can be challenging, especially without following build guide videos, the end result is a quiet system with excellent airflow that handles heat better than many other ITX cases. Sure, the compact size means temperatures might run a bit higher than in a full ATX case, but the difference is minimal compared to other small form factor options. Many enthusiasts find this trade-off worthwhile for a case that fits perfectly on a desk or in tight spaces. If you're ready to build a small system with high-end parts, the A4-H2O delivers what you need: strong hardware support, a clean installation process, and a sleek design that stands out without bulk. Worth a look if you value quality and compactness in a PC case. Try the A4-H2O when you're ready to build a powerful system that fits in just 11 liters, without sacrificing style or cooling performance. It's a smart choice for anyone wanting a premium small form factor experience.